What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another adventure of Ratchet and Clank. You know how it is. Got 9% done. Rebel agent selected. You know. Oh, let's get right back into it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the last episode. You know how it is. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell. You know when my videos come out. They don't really come out every day at 8 o'clock. But hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get into it. Rebel agents. Resume game.
Next stop, hideout.
All right.
Have to lower the bridge somehow.
Get all of them. Get them. Get them. Oh, shoot. Hey, bugging on a stack. Let's help him out. Whoa, bro. You wanna die? I just helped you out.
One big Blunthor.
I hope you have enough ammo.
Oh, shit. Oh, I see something I want.
You're a stubborn Blunthor too.
Oh shit, I got hit. This gun's pretty nice.
More hostiles within range.
Check the nose.
But the controls to lower it over there on that platform.
Thanks for looking out. I'll find a way over.
I'm confused. How'd that even work? Oh.
Don't tell me my glove thingy can interact with that rift thingy.
Your rift tether, yes. Try aiming at the rift.
How do we... Okay, so we probably have to go that way.
Oh, that was fun.
Uh-oh. Gotta get as much as we can up here. Whoa. Haha, that scared me. Oh, shit. Okay, this is locked. Oh, that's probably for the bridge. Oh. Destroy those. Bam. Let's rip again. Boom. Whoa. Leave me alone. What are you doing? Leave me alone. Get away from here. Get. Oh shit, I ran out of it. Oh, did I just kill myself? I'm running out of ammo.
I wish you had a jetpack feature, Bolt.
I do as well.
Bro. Why did I fall? We're completely out of ammo of everything, to be honest. It's crazy.
Alright, now to lower the bridge.
Oh.
Come on, bridge, seriously?
Troublemaker showed up.
Alright. Guess we're gonna have to...
There has to be another way across.
You will not succeed in jumping across.
Just scoping it out.
Wait, I couldn't... Ah, I was aiming for the thing, the rift up there. I guess I can just do it here. I don't know where to go from here. I'm not die, please. Yeah, I guess that's the play. Ooh, yeah, we made it. We made her. Yes, from there to there. That's the only thing I could see. I fucked up.
That looked rather painful.
How are we gonna make it then? There must be a way. I can't even cross the bridge. Oh, I missed. I shouldn't have clicked.
You should heal
Last
before
try.
proceeding.
How do I heal? What do you mean you should heal? Oh, I'm so
I
stupid.
may regret suggesting this, but what about the speedle?
What about it? Almost home. And there's another
I'm a
Grunthor in the
fucking
way.
idiot.
I do regret this.
Stoner moment.
Come on. We both know how this is gonna end, big guy.
avoid injury going forward.
How am I supposed to defeat this with no ammo?
And there's another Grunthor in the way.
I do regret this.
How am I supposed to do that, huh? Anybody know?
Come on! We both know how this is gonna end, big guy!
Come on. Ah, would you fucking leave me alone? Alright. You asked for it. I'm gonna die now. 100%? Fuck you, bro. Boom.
Whew. And now for my final enemy, the Mortz's pressure locks.
It appears that these locks must be hit quickly.
Yep, Morts are funny like that.
Alright, we haven't seen this, so there might be something here.
Yes, yes, well done.
Holy smokes, we found our first golden nut or whatever. I didn't hit it, huh? I didn't hit it.
It appears that these locks must be hit quickly.
Yep, Morts are funny like that.
One, two,
There! Time to find out the truth about you.
If only I could talk with Ratchet.
Home sweet home.
Why are you so hesitant to trust me?
Look, robots aren't
It's
really my
okay.
thing. Especially when they're
Guess
tearing
I'll
my
probably
galaxy
end up up
apart.
there.
I am not. I was trying to help Ratchet find the other Lombaxes.
We'll see the truth soon enough. Once I scan you and the infobot I found in Nefarious City.
Oh. Let's see what hides behind the shadows.
Safe for now.
What's she gonna show now?
This is extremely unnecessary.
Damn. Boy, Ratchet.
Okay, so you were being honest.
I was being
As I
honest,
have
and
been
fucking believe
saying
me.
repeatedly,
You're nefarious. He looks a lot like mine. Evil like him, too. And that Lombax. I know it might sound crazy, but
you think he is your dimensional counterpart.
Damn.
or something.
He said it.
Look, whatever's going on here, we're gonna fix it.
We? I
We?
thought robots are not your thing.
Not all of them, just most. You know, like the Emperor, his stupid followers, pirates. Yeah, I see the irony too.
Oh, I apologize. I did not mean to,
You feel bad? Even though I just watched your brain diary thingy?
What's he gonna do? Is he gonna blow up? Uh-oh. Oh no, she didn't know the location. Let them right to it.
Missing infobot located. Initiating retrieval.
No, dear. No.
Oh, you fuck. Why'd she let the fucking Clank?
Hey, that's my annoying robot!
Alright, where are we
Deploying
going?
amphibious explosives to neutralize hostile furball.
Come on.
Hang in there, Bolts! I'm coming!
Let's go, baby. We're zooming. We're fucking zooming, bro. Go, 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 go. Out of my way. Get out of my way. I'm trying to
That
save.
Syncopede's flight stabilizer should be on its back. If I can get up there and hit it, I can bring the whole thing down.
Where's the ramp?
Gotta hit the flight
Let's go.
stabilizer.
Shabam. You see how that woo right on the side? Damn. I get him though? No, I didn't get him. I just fell off.
You must be so excited for annihilation.
Give me back my robot.
Oh, you ain't gonna get me
Backup
like
power
that,
has almost
baby.
restored the flight stabilizer. How delightful.
What? No, you're not getting away from me.
Come on. Let's get on it.
Time to change tactics. Deploying amphibious explosives.
Throw whatever you want. You're not getting away from me.
No.
Gotta save Bolts.
Come on, Bolty boy. Save him. Launch off this ramp real quick.
I can't get to the flight stabilizer until I jump on that thing's back.
Right on the tail, right on the damn. Oh, shucks. Oh, we made it crash though. Made it crash. Shoot him.
Your destruction is most definitely assured now.
Bring it.
Oh, I forgot the roof. Get him. Holy shoot, huh? They almost got
Let
me.
me drive that thing.
Oh, there you go.
This is unfortunate.
Jump. Get him. Smash his face in. Come on, Clank.
You okay, Bolts?
You came after me. Thank you.
That's not Bolt. It's Clank.
Yeah, well,
She
we
got
still
it all
got some
wrong.
unfinished business.
Damn.
Ooh, we should see if Mort fixed up the ship.
Alright, boys and girls. That's gonna do it for this episode. Hope you guys liked it. We destroyed a big centipede looking ass thing. I don't even know what it's called, but don't forget to like and subscribe, you know, the regulars. A lot of you ain't subscribing watching. Do it, please. Love y'all. Peace out.